Hi children, today our topic is recapitulation on permutations and combinations. చాప్టర్ ఆల్రెడీ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది కదా, సో దాంట్లో మనం నేర్చుకున్నవన్నీ ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చూద్దాం ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి అనేది. పర్ముటేషన్స్ అండ్ కాంబినేషన్స్. Permutation involves selection and arrangements, two steps, involving two steps, selection and arrangement. But combination is only a selection. Combination is only a selection. Permutations are two types: linear permutation or permutation and circular permutation. Linear permutation means from a given set of elements, selecting some or all of them and arranging them in a line is called a linear permutation or simply permutation. Arranging them around a circle is called a circular permutations. These two are the two types of permutations. Next, factorial. You know that what is the value of n factorial? Already have learned. N factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into up to 3 into 2 into 1. Similarly, 1 factorial. 1 factorial is 1 and 0 factorial. 0 factorial is also 1 by convention. And next, n factorial also can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. N into n minus 1 factorial if here n is greater than 1. But like next, zero factorial. Next, npn. npn. What is the value of npn? npn is n factorial. npn is n factorial. Next, np naught. np naught is equal 1. ఇవన్నీ ఆల్రెడీ నేర్చుకున్నవే. np naught is equal 1. అట్లా what is the formula? npr. The important formula npr is n factorial by n minus r factorial. n factorial by n minus r factorial. అట్లా npr plus r into npr minus 1. npr plus r into npr minus 1, that is n plus 1 pr. n plus 1 pr. Next, combinations కి వచ్చినామంటే ncr. What is the formula? ncr n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is the formula for ncr. ncr. Next, next one, ncr is equal to nc n minus r. ncr is equal to nc n minus r if n and r are integers with 0 less than or equal to or less than or equal to n. Next one, if ncr is equal ncs, ncr is equal to ncs, then what is the result? r is equal to s, r plus s is equal to n. r is equal to s, r plus s is equal to n. Next one, ncr plus ncr minus 1. ncr plus ncr minus 1, that is n plus 1, that is n plus 1 cr. n plus 1 cr. npr ncr two formula ని యూస్ చేస్తే మనకి ఇంకో రిజల్ట్ వస్తుంది. ఏంటది? npr by ncr. npr by ncr is equal to r factorial. npr by ncr is equal n factorial. Next, sum of ఇవి ఫార్ములా నేర్చుకున్నవే. sum of all odd-digit numbers. sum of all odd-digit numbers if 0 is not included. What is the formula? n minus 1 n minus 1 So here n minus 1 p or minus 1, sorry, some technical problem. 1 minute. N minus 1, some technical problem. Okay, n minus 1 p or minus 1, n minus 1 p or minus 1 into sum of given all digits. N minus 1 p or minus 1 into sum of given all digits into 1 into 1 into 1 into up to 1 1 1 up to odd times, not into 1 1 1 1 is repeated up to odd times. If 0 is not included here, if 0 is not included, 0 include అవ్వకపోతే ఇక్కడ n minus 1 p r minus 1 sum of given all digits into 1 1 1 up to odd times. అంటే r is equal to 2 ఉందంటే 1 2 11 రాస్తాము. r is equal to 3 అయితే 1 2 3 times రాస్తాము. r is equal to 4 అయితే 1 2 3 4 times రాస్తాం, like that. Next, sum of all odd digit numbers. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, if 0 is included, ఇందాక 0 is not included, next if 0 is included అన్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, అది n minus 1 p r minus 1 into sum of given all digits into ఇందాక చెప్పినట్లే 1 1 1 up to odd times. Next time only minus n minus 2 p or minus 2 sum of given all digits into ఇక్కడ 1 1 ఎన్నిసార్లు వస్తుంది, or minus 1 times. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, if 0 is included, ఇందాక చెప్పినట్లే ఇక్కడేమో r టైమ్స్ వస్తుంది, ఇక్కడేమో r minus 1 times. అంటే r is equal to 3 అయితే 1 1 1 అంటే 111, ఇక్కడేమో r 3 minus 1 అంటే 2 1 1 11 ఇట్లా తగ్గించుకో వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్, ద నంబర్ ఆఫ్ లీనియర్ permutations of n things taken all at a time when p of them are alike and the rest are different, and the rest are different is, what is the formula, n factorial by p factorial, n factorial by p factorial, the number of linear permutations of n things taken all at a time when p of them are alike and the rest are different, and n factorial by p factorial, Next, second one, in the given n things, p like things of first kind, q like things of second kind, and r like things of third kind, and the rest are different, then the number of permutations is n factorial by p factorial into q factorial into r factorial, n factorial by p factorial q factorial into r factorial. Next, if m n are distinct positive integers, then the number of ways of dividing m plus n things into two groups containing m and n things is, that is m plus n factorial by m factorial into n factorial. Next one, let n and r be positive integers if the repetition of things is allowed. The repetition things, letters or numbers will be repeated, then the number of permutations of n dissimilar things taken or at a time, n dissimilar things taken or at a time is n power r, is n power r. Next one, the number of permutations of n dissimilar things taken or at a time with at least one repetition, is n power r minus npr, n power r minus npr. The next one, if p things are alike of one kind, p things are alike of one kind, q things are alike of second kind, or things are alike of third kind, then the number of ways of selecting any number of things out of these p plus q plus r things is, that is p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1 minus 1, p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1 minus 1. ఇవన్నీ మీరు చాప్టర్లో ఆల్రెడీ నేర్చుకున్నవే. The number of ways of selecting one or more things out of n dissimilar things is 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus 1. Next, if p1, p2, p3 up to pk are distinct primes and alpha 1, alpha 2 up to alpha k are positive integers, alpha k are positive integers, alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 up to alpha k are positive integers, then the number of positive divisors of n is p1 power alpha 1, p2 power alpha 2, p3 power alpha 3 up to pk power alpha k. pk power alpha k is alpha 1 plus 1 into alpha 2 plus 1 into alpha 3 plus 1 2 into alpha k plus 1. This includes 1 and n. This includes 1 and n. This includes 1 and n. 2 marks questions landi baga use chestaru. Next, the number of circular permutations of n things is n minus 1 factorial. The number of circular permutations of n things is n minus 1 factorial. Next one, in case of hanging type of circular permutations and like garlands of flowers, chains of beads, etc., the number of circular permutations of n things in this case, and circular permutations లో garland of flowers, chains of beads తీసుకున్నప్పుడు permutations are, number of permutations are n minus 1 factorial by 2, అంటే half of n minus 1 factorial. Next, the number of dearrangements of n distinct things is n factorial into 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 by 2 factorial plus 1 by 3 factorial plus up to minus 1 sorry, here alternatively minus plus, here also minus. Minus plus minus alternatively 1 by 3 factorial plus that last minus 1 whole power n into 1 by n factorial. Last one 1 minus 1 whole power n. If n is even number, that value is positive. If n is odd number, that value becomes negative value. Next, the number of diagonals in an n-sided polygon is nc2 minus n. nc2 minus n, or simply n into n minus 3 by 2. n into n minus 3 by 2. Next, the number of palindromes with or distinct letters that can be formed using given n distinct letters. తీసుకున్నప్పుడు we have two cases. If r is even, now two cases, if r is even and odd. Here or distinct letters using given n distinct letters. First case వచ్చేసి n power r by 2. n power r by 2. If r is even. Second case is n power r plus 1 by 2. If r is odd. Two cases. Next, the number of bisections from set A to itself is n factorial. The number of injections from a set A to set B. Injections from set A to set B is npm. Next, the number of different subsets with or elements of a set containing n elements. The number of different subsets with or elements of a set containing n elements is NCR. These are the important points in permutations and combinations. ఇవన్నీ నేర్చుకున్నారంటే మీరు ఈజీగా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్సర్ చేయడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. చూడండి, ఇవన్నీ ఇవి ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్స్ ఇన్ పర్ముటేషన్స్ అండ్ కాంబినేషన్స్. సో జాగ్రత్తగా నేర్చుకోండి. ఇవి ఎక్కువగా మనము ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో యూస్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి ఇవన్నీ ఒక చోట నోట్ చేసుకొని నేర్చుకున్నారంటే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయడానికి కానీ మీరు ఏదైనా ఎగ్జామ్కి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు చూసుకోవడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.